guys, today we are going to be doing class 5th, chapter 1, We Are Travelers part 1. This is part 4. I say that you watch part 1, part 2, part 3. The link is in the description. Now, let's get started. Yeah. Finding large numbers around us. We saw the distance in kilometers last episode, covered by different means of transport in an hour that can range from 1 digit to 5 digit numbers. Can we find other contexts around us that contain the numbers in this range? Let us consider the situation below. Okay, here's the situation. Now we have to do it. A book has around 200 pages, yes. And each page has about 50 words. The book, therefore, has about 10,000 words in total. 10,000 words for a book, that's a lot of words. Find something in the textbook whose count is a 4-digit number. Now we have to find something in our book that is a 4-digit number. Wait, didn't we saw last video that those kilometer speeds? Okay, I'll try to find something that's out of this chapter, and yeah. Here it is. Now, that is it. Okay. Now let us try with our school. So I don't know about your school, so I'm doing it about my school. Hey, our school has dash classroom. Now in this we have to solve. Like our school has class 1st to class 12th, meaning there are 12 classes in total. Wow, that's so wide. Increase it. Wow, it's 41. That's a lot. Okay. Now we have 12 classrooms. We have 12 classrooms, and not that's all. We have also sections. We have 3 sections for each class: A, B, C. And then if we multiply it by 3, that is 36. Meaning there are 36 classrooms. And the next one, B, there are dash students in my class. Now, I'll estimate each class has, 40 students. Now, the last one is our classroom has dash books in total, meaning how many books there are. Now, I only count the 4 main subjects. Like maths, which you're studying now, English, EVS, and Hindi. And don't forget the notebooks. Those counts as books? Yes. Those count. Now, if we multiply 8 with our 40, no, I think it's reversed. Okay. Wow. Sorry, I accidentally gave you last video's things. So there's 40 and then multiply 8. That is 320. 320. That's a lot of books. Now if we go down, there's more questions. waiting for us. Nice. Find something in the classroom whose count is 1, a 4-digit number, and 2, a 5-digit number. Now, how about let's do this? This entire chapter, is very long. Very long. This chapter is like 16 pages. Like somewhere. And now we have to do it. And so I'm just going to write number of word. No, wait. No, wait. No! Why? Ah. Why are all of these coming? Number of words. Ah. Okay, I'll just type. No, letters? No, that's a 5-digit, right? Questions? No. Wait, how about number of y? There. Number of what can we do? Books? We could do books. Pencils too small. Erasers also too small. How about let's do books? Yes. How about number of letters on this page? This is like nearly like 1,000, right? There. Letter in this page. The answer is a little long. Wow. Well, now it is a boom 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 boom. Now for 5-digit number, how about we can do? Wait, I needed that. Yeah. Like number of letters in this. It looks like a Q. Okay, I'll write it in a different line. Chapter. There. That's it. We didn't have to do anything. There. Now, in this, you have to write list the qualities of whose count is a 4-digit or a 5-digit number. The contest of one, a tree. So, I'm firstly going to write 4-digit and then the 5-digit using a comma. Now, in a tree, that could be number. Number. Number of some leaves. This is it. And now for 5-digit. N a banyan or okay, you can write banyan or people. So I'm just writing banyan tree. Wow, 2-1. It had to be mad to move. Now your village, town, city, or any other place of victory. Now on the first one I could do a farm. Yeah. Why? Number of crops in a farm. There. And now for the 5-digit, there could be number of people in a city. There. Now we finished the 5-digit numbers. Now we have to do it with some mathematics that is not mathematics. Okay, that's weird. Now we have to do this. Pastime mathematics. Sanju and Meera are traveling on a train. To pass time, they challenge each other with games and puzzles. 1. Meera poses the river crossing puzzle to Sanju. This is Myra and this is Sanju. Myra is telling a riddle, which is called river crossing puzzle. This is a little long, so yeah, toots. I need it. A boatman wants to cross the river in a boat. He has to take a lion, a sheep, and a bundle of grass with him. He can take only one of them at a time. If the sheep and the grass are left on the shore, the sheep will get eaten, will eat the grass. And if the sheep and the lion are left on the shore, the lion will eat the sheep. How can the boatman take the lion, sheep, and grass across the river? Help him that can carry the lion. Help him so that the ferry can carry the lion, sheep, and grass across the river safely and mellow along the trips. Now, in this, we have to do it like this. Here is a boatsman pier. And on one shore, or I'll call this island 1, and this is island 2. Now, the boatsmen have to take all of these animals and all these living things to island 2. But how? We saw that if we took the lion, the sheep will eat the grass, and if we take the grass, then the lion will eat the sheep. So now, what is the only option? So, we'll make a little diagram. I'll say G as grass, S as sheep, and L as lion. Now, if the sheep can eat the grass and the lion can eat the sheep. If there were no sheep, then there would be no problem, as the lion can't eat the grass. Then you have to take the sheep first. Of course, the boatsmen have to go. So I'll say this as that I change this weird purple color to a white color. Now I'm going to make this sheep this like got to move from here and then make a sheep there. Ha! Very fun sheep. Now in this, the lion can't eat the grass because it is a carnivore. Now next we are going to take the lion. The lion as grass can't eat. So, and there's nothing on island 1, so they're just there. Now the lion is transported here. Very. Smile, smile. Feet. Now you may think, yeah, the boatsman is here. You may think, the lion will eat the sheep, so there's an obvious solution. Just bring the sheep back. You just take the sheep, bring him here, and may think the sheep will eat the grass. No. Then we'll take the grass. There, transport it here. Here for this, I'm making it a green color because this is the only time we are able to see the grass. And then, finally, grass is there. And then it comes back. And then takes the sheep and then put it there for a little go. And we made it. All the animals escaped from Island 1. Or they were doing some kind of like escape, I don't know. Now on to the next. Now, Sanju introduces the game Pile of Pebbles to Myra. You know that girl who was saying that river crossing puzzle? Yeah. Now Sanju is telling to her. There are 2 piles of pebbles, which you can see here. Each pile contains 7 pebbles. Each player can pick as many pebbles as they want from either piles. The player picks the last pebble wins. Try this game with your friends. Now, how do we play to win? To find a winning strategy, try laying 1 pebble in each pile, 2 each in 3 each, and so on. Okay. Now, in this, we saw that there are 2 pebbles. You can pick how many. So we have to find a winning strategy. So wait, I got an idea. Okay. Now in this we can see that how about there are players person 1 and person 2. You are person 2. Now what do you do? Here. Firstly, person 1 takes 1 pebble from the top. And now you also take 1 pebble from the top. And if your opponent takes 3 pebbles, there 3 pebbles, you also take 3 pebbles. If they take 2 pebbles, you also take 2 pebbles. And if the last one is taken, then obviously the last pile who picks it wins. And when you do the last pickup, meaning you win. Yes, you could do it one by one, which is slower, but still makes you win. Now, it's Myra's turn who said that bridge, that crossing puzzle. She gives a fun puzzle to send you the following steps. Okay, here puzzle with a C. Here, take any two different digits. For example, 3 and 7. B. Make them two-digit numbers using them. 37 and 73. Subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. Like this, and we get 36. Now use the two digits in the difference and repeat stats B and C. Meaning, how does the pattern work? Firstly, is firstly there is A and B and then C, and that step that leads us to B and then C, and we already were there. Yep. And it's like that. Continue this process until you get one digit number, even before everyone could finish, Miracle exclaimed. Mind you, no matter which two numbers you choose, you'll get 9 at the end. The whole process will look as shown below. Now here's the process. Firstly, we choose these numbers and then that converted to these, and then these, and then these. Can you notice anything? The numbers are in a crisscross pattern like this, 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 and this. Hey, they're in X shapes if you match them. Wow, that's fantastic. But there's even more surprising in this. All the answers to these minuses are a multiple of 9. Yes. Can you see 36 comes in the table 9. 27 also comes. 45 also comes and 9 also comes. But let's see where do they come so we get more pattern. So 36 comes in 4. This 3. This as 5 and this as 1. Is this a secret code? 4351? Wow, that's a very brilliant code. And now the part 1 ends. Yeah. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe, like to this video for more worksheet solutions like this. If we are going to get 300 views on this video, I'm going to make part 5. So yeah, this is me going bye, 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 bye.